Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials, company PAN and a working mobile number. Make sure your business address and email are current. Next, upload a clear logo and write concise product descriptions. These are visible to buyers. Once done, choose your primary category and input turnover range and delivery timelines, because Indiamart uses these for search ranking and trust indicators. Now tap Register as a seller, enter mobile, verify OTP, and move to Detailed Business Profile. Don't skip verifying contact details. You'll now complete the business profile fields thoroughly because accuracy improves buyer confidence. Add payment modes, shipping locations, and year of establishment. After that, create at least 5 product listings with clear titles, high-res images, price, mock, and lead time. Include SKU or model numbers. When entering GSD details, upload supporting documents if registered. Otherwise, flag as unregistered seller. Also optimize each listing with keywords and category tags so your products appear in relevant searches. This is how visibility grows. Finally, complete KYC and pick a plan. Free to start, paid for lead priority and analytics. Compare features before committing. Upload PAN and address proofs, add a contact person with ID, and accept terms. Verification typically completes within 24-72 hours. Once verified, respond quickly to leads and enable inquiry alerts. If verification stalls, first re-upload clearer documents, then contact Indiamart support via chat or phone. Keep screenshots and reference numbers, because persistence and clear files usually resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.